Okay, in this video we're just gonna try out the Bosch Series 4 heat pump dryer. Yeah, I'll just be putting on a small load today just to see how long it takes for a small load. So this is what I'll be putting on today, just a small load. I'll consider that as a small load. Put it onto cotton covered extra dry and just press start. Pulling 218 watts at the moment. .95 amps. And that's how much O2 we've made. Alright, we'll see how this goes. Okay, we're 30 minutes in, and as you see the program's dropped from 4 hours and 19 minutes down to 1 hour and 8 minutes. So it's obviously sensing that the clothes are drying quicker. So 545 watts and about 0.27 kilowatt hours. Alright, it's been an hour and a half and the program is finished. I'll turn that off. And yeah, it's taken 0.79 kilowatt hours, an hour and a half, and 23 cents to dry this load. So we'll go check it out, see if it's dry or not. Yep, that's good and dry. Happy with that. Just in case anyone's wondering, this is where the fluff filter is. You can see a little bit of fluff built up in the bottom. You just open that up to clean it out. And up here's where your condenser is, where the water collects. Yeah, so you just tip that out in the garden when you're done. Thanks for watching.